missing your body, missing your eyes, I'm missing the way you look at me. When you never love me, you never love me, what do you break me?
Hey love bugs, I am so happy that you joined me today in this video. As you can tell by the title, I will be cleaning my kitchen. Hoping that it motivates someone to get up and clean their space. But those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Stacy, and I like to do all things home decor, decorating, room makeovers, DIYs, cleaning. And cleaning is just also relaxing for me. I love to clean, and so that's what this video is about. So if you like those things, please hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video you'll be notified. And to my love bugs who already been rocking with me, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get to it.
I cry for your love, and I hear in your voice calling me one more time. I would never call your phone, baby, oh baby. I would never come back to your arms, baby, oh baby. I would never call your phone, baby, oh baby. I would never come back to your arms, baby, oh baby, oh baby. I would never call your phone, baby, oh baby. I would never come back to your arms, baby, oh baby, oh baby. I love the way you laugh. I love the thoughts you keep. Open up your heart to me. Let me in, let me in. I love your little lies. I love to watch you sleep. Open up your heart to me. Let me in, let me in. Let me in. like a fool. Walking around you at school. Please tell me how you stay so cool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So why you acting like a fool? Trying my best to get you. Sometimes I feel that you're just cruel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I had a dream about you last night. We're getting drunk at the local bar. I grab you close to my body, feeling the temperature rising, and for a kiss. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. My friends have told me I should move on, but I can't stop looking for clues. I'm going crazy, that's the truth. I'm going crazy, that's the truth. I'm going crazy, going crazy, going crazy. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I'm not sure anymore if it's gonna get better. So why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I've been acting like a fool, 'cause I tried to get you. Guess I was just obsessed with you. Ooh, ooh. Or maybe not.
Ladybugs, don't mind me. I was listening to some old school 90s R&B. I don't know exactly what song this was, but it was sounding good to me. Oh, let me know down in the comments if you like to listen to music when you clean up or have the TV playing. I really love listening to old school music when I'm cleaning up. I don't know, it just makes me feel so good. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, the music or the TV.
I got problems. Yeah. I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want bottle day. Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Don't go off. Look, hey, yeah, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Tryna slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest cause I'm about doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball, but once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back, if you down then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby, that's right, that's right. Can't control it, but that's life, yeah. Let's spend time more than we spend cash. You only got one life and it do it fast. But, oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want a bottle today. Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's my time and I'm gonna shine bright, yeah. Look, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's time and I'm about to shine bright, yeah. Shine bright, yeah. Shine bright. Joy in the light, yeah. Look, ooh, everybody got problems, everybody got problems. You just wanna solve them, live it up, I'm calling, that's right. Oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want a bottle today. Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys do you top list. It get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need to top, cause that's where I'm heading. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah, ooh, I'm moving faster than lightning. I can't close on my eyes, too excited. It's the fruit of what you get for trying. Don't be selling no more, I'm just buying. I got two of everything that you eyeing. Put my boots on and turn to a giant. This is fact, ain't no fictional writing. If I want to, I go right into hiding. Me and my lady somewhere on the island. I came up in a war zone where it's violent. Either end up a victim or a tyrant. Nobody did it like this, nobody ever. Told myself it would get better. Wrote it and meant every letter. Now we flood the city, it's never been wetter. She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah. I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want bottle day. Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now.
Okay, ladybugs, so this is the final reveal. It smells so amazing in here. I wish you guys could not only see but also smell what it smells like in here, if that makes any sense. I don't know, but I am so grateful that you guys hung in there with me and watched this video. And I hope that all who is new will come and join the ladybugs. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video you will be notified. And to my ladybugs, thank you so much for rocking with me. I appreciate you guys. I am so grateful for you guys. And I guess I'll have to see you guys in my next video. So I'll see you later.
Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's my time and I'm gonna shine bright. Yeah, look, I've been trying to find